Dealing with dry eye. Dry eye illness is characterized by an insufficient number or quality of tears produced by the eye. The irritation caused by dry eyes can be a daily struggle, and the disease can have an impact on a person's ability to see clearly. The syndrome manifests itself in a variety of ways, including the following: dry eyes, redness, irritated eyes, uncertain vision, sensitivity to light, eyes that are irritated or itchy. There are a wide variety of potential causes of dry eyes, including allergies, medical disorders, and even prolonged use of computers. Finding out what caused something might be useful, particularly if it's a condition that can be treated or an environmental problem that can be eliminated. Dry eyes. Top 6 natural cures for dry eyes. Number 1. Massage. A soothing massage of the eyes can provide numerous health benefits. Tension can be alleviated, blood flow can be improved, and muscles can be relaxed with a little bit of pampering and attention. Even though you are not actually touching your eye, touching the areas that surround your eye can have an effect on the sensation of your eye and may even cause you to produce more tears. Number 2. Better sleep. It is essential to get enough sleep in order to give your mind and body a break, because this is the only time that your eyes are able to remain closed for an extended period of time. It provides them with both protection and rest. A good night's sleep is beneficial to many different bodily functions, including the following: stress management, repair, memory, good for the heart, metabolism, energy levels, cognitive skills. If your dry eyes are caused by a problem with your immune system, you need to make sure you get enough sleep, since sleep changes how inflammation works. Your age and overall health will both have an effect on the amount of sleep you require. For instance, in order to combat a cold, you might require additional rest. In general, the average adult sleeps anywhere between 7 and 9 hours. As people age, their sleep needs diminish. On the other hand, young children and teenagers have a greater requirement for sleep. Number 3. Warm compress. The application of a warm compress is one method that can be used to relieve the symptoms of a variety of eye problems. Heat, for instance, can alleviate the itching and inflammation that are brought on by dry eyes. Also, it might stimulate the meibomian gland, causing it to make more tears. You can also take this time to relax your eyes by simply shutting them for a moment. Number 4. Clean eyes. It is crucial to your eye health to clean your eyelids and eyelashes, as well as the region around your eyes, on a regular basis. It can prevent the accumulation of bacteria, which is one of the factors that might lead to the development of eye problems or diseases like blepharitis. Blepharitis is an infection of the eyelids that can be caused by clogged oil glands located beneath the eyelashes. Blepharitis can be treated with antibiotics. Blepharitis is a disorder that can be avoided, but once it has developed, it cannot be cured. It is possible for it to cause irritation, redness, dryness, or even burning in the eyes. Keeping your oil glands clear and ensuring that they are producing a suitable amount of tears both require that you regularly clean your eyes. If you think you have blepharitis, you should schedule an appointment with your optometrist so that you may discuss the available treatment options. Number 5. Screen time limit. Dry eyes are one of the most frequently experienced symptoms of computer-related eye strain. When using a computer, our blink rate drops to 5 times per minute compared to the average 12 times per minute for people in general. Because of this, our eyes are more likely to become dry, and we are more likely to acquire headaches and feel irritable, and our eyes are more likely to experience eye strain. After concentrating on digital devices for long periods of time, our eyes need time to rest and relax, which we can do by taking periodic breaks. Number 6. Drink water. Even though water isn't the sole component that makes up tears, it is by far the most important one. Tears are mostly made up of water, 98%, along with 2% oil, salt, and approximately 1,500 different proteins. Therefore, if you don't drink enough water, you're going to end up with drier eyes and less tear production. You may have heard that people should consume 6 to 8 glasses of water. It is a good guideline, but it shouldn't be seen as a recommendation that will work perfectly for everyone. Your activity level, state of health, and the surrounding environment all play a role in determining how much water you require. If you're unsure how much water is ideal for you, a good starting point is a recommendation of 6 to 8 glasses per day. After that, discuss your hydration and health concerns with your primary care physician. Bottom line, dry eye illness is characterized by an insufficient number or quality of tears produced by the eye. There are a wide variety of potential causes of dry eyes, including allergies, medical disorders, and prolonged use of computers. Getting enough sleep is absolutely necessary since sleep modulates inflammation. Tears are mostly made up of water, along with 2% oil, salt, and 1,500 different proteins. If you don't drink enough water, you're going to end up with drier eyes and less tear production. Consuming 6 to 8 glasses of water per day is a good starting point. Which of these home remedies for dry eyes do you like best? Comment with your answer below. For more health tips, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.